One of the really cool things about Cherry Garden is it comes with a graphic. This is visible to you as staff at all times, but also to relatives if you've enabled the framework for them. To find it, you just need to go to the Children's tab, click on the child's name and go to Cherry Garden Orchard. So just click Let's Explore and this will open up. So you can have a look at these 4 different subjects and you'll either get a tree or flower pots depending on where the child is. Let's have a look at communication, language and literacy. So just click there. And the tree will grow. So that means that the child's working at branch 5 or above. So just choose the area that you're interested in looking at and it will zoom in. Each one of these leaves represent a statement. So if you just click on one of those, then you can see that that one relates to can copy simple phonic sounds. And you'll also be able to see any observations that relate to that statement. As each statement is marked as secure, a new leaf will appear on the tree. If you want to take a snapshot of that at any point, then you can just click on the camera down here, but otherwise just press back to get back a level. Let's have a quick look at mathematics now. I can tell that this child is working in branch 4 or below because we've got flower pots for maths instead of a tree. And if you click on any of those, you'll be able to see a flower grow. Each one of these petals relates to a statement, and as the learning becomes secured in them, the petal will grow. You can also see that some of these petals are a little bit darker than the others. That indicates that there's more evidence. So if I click on this one here, I can see that we've got 2 assessments or 2 observations, and if I look at one of these ones, you'll see you've only got 1. As with the tree though, you can take a picture whenever you like, and you can press back to go back a level. So once you've grown everything in your orchid, it might look something like this. We hope you enjoy using it. If you have any questions about Cherry Garden, you can get in contact with us by emailing customer.service@eyfs.info.